Hello friends, this is a 2012 Dodge Avenger. So today we're gonna be showing you how to replace your headlight bulbs, okay? So it's pretty easy, pretty straightforward. You know, you got your headlight assembly right here, okay? And your light bulbs are gonna be back here, all right? So the outer is gonna be your low beam, and the inner is gonna be your high beam. Okay, now it takes these headlights take for the high beam is gonna be an HB3 light bulb, and then for the low beam it's gonna be an HB4 light bulb. Okay, so in order to change your light bulbs, it's pretty easy. And both sides are there are openings where you can reach and grab the light bulbs. Now I'm gonna show you first the low beam, which is gonna be this one right here. Can you see it right there? All right, so you just gotta reach it from the bottom right here. See, disconnect the connector. All right, now you're gonna twist the light bulb like left. There you go. Oh, this was a little tight. Then just pull it out. Right here, see? So this is gonna be a HB4 light bulb. Now to put it in, same thing. Just reach in here. Just put the light bulb in the position where it came out, like this. You know, see, in an angle, and then just put it down so that it gets like a vertical position right there, and just put your connector back in. Okay. Now a high beam, same thing. It's actually easier because the opening is bigger. So you just grab your, reach the connector. All right, so I'm just gonna use a screwdriver to push the tab down. Pull the tab and then pull the connector. See, right there. So maybe you're gonna need a screwdriver after all. Now just twist your light bulb, and there you go. Here it is. Okay, so now this light bulb is different. So it's gonna be an HB3 for the high beam. So to put it in, same thing. Just put it in an angle how it came out, and just twist it back in a vertical position, and you put your connector back on and make sure it clicks in. All right, friends, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe to the channel, give us some like, and if you have any comments or questions, leave them in the comments below. All right, see you next time.